Good evening, sir. Myself Shankar. Today my topic about is 555 timer stable operation. 555 timer overview. The 555 timer is a settled integrated circuit used for generating recess timing pulses. It can operate in various modes including stable, monostable, and bistable. This presentation focus on its operation. It's the capable stable mode where it produces a continuous square wave. What is a stable operation? A stable operation means a 555 timer functions as an escalator without any stable state. It continuously switches between high and low output, creating a waveform. This mode is ideal for applications like LED, flashing, pulse generation, and clock signals. Basic circuit configuration. The stable circuit includes two resistors R1 and R2, the capacitor C, and the 555 timers AC. The capacitor charges and discharges between two voltage their holes, controlling the output regulation. The external resistors and capacitor determine the frequency and due to cycle of the output waveform. Pin configuration of 555 timer. Pin 1 is connected to ground and pin 8 is connected to positive supply voltage. Pin 2 and pin 6 are connected together and to the capacitor determining timing. Pin 3 outputs generated square wave signal while pin 5 is used for controlling voltage. How the charging and discharging work. The capacitor charges through R1 and R2, raising the voltage until it reaches 2 by 3. Their holes is reached the discharge pin. Pin 7 becomes active and discharge the capacitor through R2. This cycle repeats, creating a continuous oscillating output. Calculating frequency. The frequency of oscillation is determined mainly by R1 and R2 and RC and can be calculated using a specific formula. The approximate formula for frequency is adjust R1 and R2 RC allows the tuning the frequency to desired values. Calculating duty cycle. The duty cycle is percentage of one period taken without T cycle. It can be adjusted by the charging R2 or the capacitor value. R1 affects the charge time more. The duty cycle influences power consumption and signal characteristics in the circuit. Practical applications. The 555 timer in stable mode is used in blinkers, tone, and pulse width modulation circuits. It serves as a clock pulse generating in digital circuit. Its simplicity and reliability make it popular in hybrid in industrial projects. Advantages include low cost, ease of use, and stable Frequency and due to cycle. Limitations involve limited frequency range and potential signal duration, distortion at very high frequencies. Proper common proper component selection is essential for optimal performance. The circuit design used to depend use the coupling capacitor close the IC reduce noise, choose resistor and capacitor values based on desired frequency and due to cycle. Test of values, test the circuit with the oscilloscope, verify waveform quality and measure parameters. Tabulating common issue. If the output is reading, thank you for this.